Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button down below. I'm gonna be doing a hair review today on Tinashehair. I purchased this hair and hold on, I'm putting lotion on my hands. Woo. Alright, so let me get the wiggy. I purchased this hair. Tinashe. This is her. She was wavy, or body wave, and I straightened her for the look that I wanted to do. Just a 13x6 lace frontal wig. I'm just trying to take these braids out, y'all. 26 long combs in there. See the combs. And I'm about to slay this wig. So if you like wigs or whatnot, keep watching. And get it. If y'all hear a humming noise in the back, that's my fan. So I'm about to start by putting this wig on. Oh, okay. And one thing that I like about Tinashe wigs is they lace. Like, it's not that bulky, big, nasty, thick lace. Because I have experienced that. I just don't like it, you know? So I love that lace. It's super thin. And it just look like scalp. Yes. And I already parted this wig into the style that I wanted, because I was going for, you know, a side part in her. I'm not gonna slay. Oh, first things first is I'm gonna use some skin protecting. I don't know if y'all can see this. Come on, focus. Skin protecting by Boho, because you gotta protect that your skin when you're wearing lace frontals, because you are putting a piece of fabric over your skin and you don't want it to get irritated or whatnot. So yeah. Oh, look cute. All right, let me stop. I know a lot of y'all gonna be asking, like, where you been at? Where you been at? I just been taking time off of YouTube to you know, just do me, you know? Just take time off to do me, relax. I've been going forever and I'm back. And I'm just like ready to get back into YouTube and start doing videos for y'all. Cause I've been like not, you know how when you get in your little moods and stuff, and you just like not feeling doing videos, or your channel not where it's supposed to be. That's the kind of funk I was in. And I'm putting skin protector over makeup, I don't care. But that's the kind of funk I was in. And I'm like, I gotta get over this shit and do some videos for y'all, cause you know, this is what I like to do. So might as well get back into it. And I moved, so that was like, what the heck? Getting my apartment straight and everything. And I finally got everything together, so I'm like, I'm about to get back into YouTube and doing these videos for y'all. Get out of this funk. And time to slay and work. You know? Because time waits for nobody. Period. So. Oh, and it's the lace glue that I'm using, y'all. I never tried the boho adhesive before. So, my camera. I'll just try this. I heard good reviews about it though. I'm gonna have to taste that out. All I used to use the Ghost Vibe. Oh yeah, y'all, I'm ready to come back for y'all and slay again. So, yeah. I'm glad y'all sticking with me. I got a couple new subscribers. You know, hello, hi, I'm Nicole. But I missed y'all so much. For real, for real, girl. For real, for real. I missed y'all. But we back and we better and we focus. We back and we better and we focus. That round. Well, not round. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm babbling along. Just trying to make this video interesting for you all. Alright y'all, so this is what the hair look like. I was just over it and I'm like, I'm about to curl this hair. Because it's hot in here and the curls was, they just didn't want to lay. They just didn't want to curl. So, back, sit, and it is what it is. It's too hot for curls. So I'm gonna be taking this wig right off. So I just flat on the back, boom, bam. Baby hair is alright. But I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. This video was super long. And yeah, I'm out of here. I'm about to go. Bye.